Hello everyone, welcome back to new video. So we are at Budapest hotel called Mercure Budapest Hotel, which is located in Castle Hill area. So it's a 4-star property and it's somewhat based on Harry Potter kind of theme. So I like the color. Let me show you the room. Let's give the room tour. So as we enter this room, we have this small bed here. So it's a superior room and there is a window as well here. So beautiful church you can see there, beautiful Budapest. TV is also provided here, and as you walk through, so this is a closet, everything provided, and this is the bathroom, all the basic necessities, bathtub, everything. Not a big size but good enough size. And this is the main room and beautiful view from this side as well. So probably that's the metro station and that's beautiful city of Budapest.